So for the missing values, mainly we have three categories. I'm going to be going over differences. For the first one, it says missing completely at random. This is the best case that we want. We're conducting a research, a survey, and the survey, we ask some questions, and some of the questions are not being answered, like what was your last grade in the semester? And this happens like 5% of the whole population we provided the survey did not answer that question. Just random. It's completely random. Maybe 5% is something that's expected. Nothing is perfect. The missing at random, it's strange because it's similar to the first one, but the missing at random refers to, is there any pattern behind it? If you ask that, if some people skip a question, let's say we have male and female, and males were more likely to skip that question than female, most likely they skip the question for some reason. Now, for missing not at random, that's an example would be when you do a survey that asks an embarrassing question. Let's say they ask if you ever return a book or not, or how many books you forgot to return, and you see people keeping the name because you're asking the name, and they selectively do not write down the name. You can say that it's more likely that there is a reason behind not answering the question, and that's because they are embarrassed of not returning it. That one is complicated. I know it's been used in social, like in criminal studies, for finding if there's a reason why someone is skipping a question, and missing information. It's also relevant to any study.